The monologue I'll be doing is Nina from Sunset Baby. I'm tired, Damon. You think you're more tired of these streets than me, but you ain't. I never wanted this. What I want is something simple. I never asked for no fast money, no hustle. I don't need a movement or a cause. I want a home. I want somewhere I can come into my space and I have to look over my shoulder or hold my breath. I want some kids of my own. I want to lie around and read them children's books by Camille Yarborough or Bell Hooks. I want to learn to bake or something. I want to have a garden, grow me some vegetables to cook and eat. I want to paint the living room on a Saturday. I want to close my eyes, listen to Nina, and sleep through the night for once in my life. I want to sit on the horizon and watch the sun rise and set. I have never seen a sunset in my fucking life. I am not alive here. I'm not alive in this chaos. I can't do this, you hear me? I can't do this shit no more. Thank you.
All right, beautiful. That was Andrea, and what was the monologue you just did again?
Nina from Sunset Baby.
Nina from Sunset Baby. That was beautiful. Thank you. We are doing our All About Acting workshop today at the Model Boutique and Company with our acting coach here, Ricky Stokes. Yes. Awesome.